Good morning, students. Our today's topic is linen, uniform, and tailor room. The main objectives or aims of this lecture would be planning of linen room, functions of linen room, and drawing the layout of the linen room, storage tips, parts stock, and inventory control. Main points would be linen room, uniform room, and tailor room. Linen uniform tailor room are of two types. One is centralized linen room with linen distributed from one central point. Then second is decentralized linen room, in which linen rooms get separated. They are based on every floor pantries. Planning of a linen room. Most importantly for us, location, space, entrance, floors and walls, lighting and ventilation, storage area, soiled linen area, linen exchange counter, inspection area, uniform storage area, guest laundry area. Functions of linen room. Linen security, that is no unauthorized personnel should be permitted. Fresh for soiled, one for one. Dispatch soiled linen as soon as possible. Inspection, linen storage. Main point for purchase of linen, good quality of linen at a cheaper price. Rub the sample against a dark surface to check the quality of the sample. Check the weave with the magnifying glass. Check the sleeve edge. Subject the sample to number of washings. Hotel should own its own linen. This is the this is the layout of a uniform room, in which we can see racks where the dresses of the people working in the hotel are hanged. Then tailor shop for remeasuring the uniforms for with as compared to each person. Then hanging racks, and then there is a check desk. This is a continuation of linen stock room, in which again the racks and working table tailor shops are uh, shown. Linen store. Linen store is meant for storing freshly purchased linen during lower occupancy periods or slack season. Excess linen can be removed from circulation, packed and stored in a linen room. The store can also be used as discarded linen room store. Separated labeled racks are maintained for. This is the layout of this is the format of room linen control sheet, in which linen articles, that is the bed sheets and pillow slips, etc. Then there is number of soiled linen which are sent to the store by the each houseman. Then amount of supplied fresh linen. Then the amount of supply of fresh linen from each floors are mentioned. Food and beverage linen exchange counter register. In this, linen articles, past stock, soiled linen, fresh linen, etc. are mentioned, and in which the each linen room supervisor has taken the charge from the captain in charge is mentioned. Part stock. Part stock is basically the stock which is required in the emergency during working hours in a hotel. Recycled inventory, non-recycled inventory, part stock, importance of maintaining a part stock. Factors affecting part stock level are the laundry cycle, replacement, emergency, occupancy level and usage, part circulation. Conducting physical inventory. Inventory is conducted at the end of each month, at least quarterly. Through this process, the executive housekeeper has accurate records of items in use, discarded, replacements of lost and stolen, helps in budget separation, and to ensure that the housekeeping department has enough supplies to meet the demand. The executive housekeeper works in coordination with the laundry manager in doing the inventory. This is the inventory count sheet of a guest room linen, in which number of single bed sheets, number of double bed sheets, pillow slips, bath mats, etc. are mentioned in the cart 1, cart 2, cart 3, that is the as per the shift of the hotel. This is the layout of this is the format of room linens inventory form, in which each room is mentioned, in which where single bed or double bed, and this night spreads are single or double, etc. are mentioned. This is the master inventory control sheet in which the linen items, etc. are mentioned on the date taken by the executive housekeeper or the executive housekeeper. It is to be signed by the general manager of the hotel. Uniforms. Factors that must be considered while designing uniforms. Profile of the employees, image and identity of the property, comfort in wear, purpose of work, appearance and style, climatic conditions of the place, budget and value for money. Uniform issue slip. In this, the working uniform in this the person per work can get his uniform changed from by writing his name, token number, designation. Uniform is to be replaced by the housekeeping department. Uniform exchange slip. Uniform register. In this, date, number of laundries, time of receipt at the counter, time of receipt cleared from the counter, etc. are mentioned. Uniform inventory control sheet. In this, number of uniform services of all the staff members are listed, and in the sizes, their sizes with the quantity number of issued to them are mentioned. Calculation of past stock for uniforms. Uniforms changed every alternate day. Uniforms changed every day. Total number of employees in the hotel, their departments and their designation. Man-woman ratio. Three turnovers patterns. Important factors to be kept in mind while selection of uniforms are: uniforms should have straight pockets, two roomy pockets inside jacket, length should be alterable, uniforms should be suitable for housekeeping employees, side slots should expand for easy access to pockets, convertible convertible collar with permanent stays. Guest loan items. Guest loan items are the items which are given to the guests on their demand. The housekeeping department is mainly responsible for maintaining the inventory of guest loan items, responding to loan requests, and tracking the issue items to make sure they are returned. The items are loaned to guests at no extra charge. Establishing par stock of guest loan items. Par levels depends on following factors: size of the hotel, volume of guest requests depending on following factors: occupancy levels, arrival and departure of the guests. Machines and equipments. Par levels for the machinery is dependent on the following factors: hotel size and cleaning needs, number of guest rooms and location, kind of wall and floor coverings, size of laundry operations. Inventory control of equipments. Inventory card system is consists of name of equipment, model number, etc. Repair logs. It consists of all information regarding repair works such as date of repair, type of problem, etc. Equipment logs. It keeps a record of the issue and return procedure of the equipment. Establishing inventory levels for cleaning supplies. Par level is calculated in terms of two figures. First, maximum inventory quantity. Second, minimum inventory quantity. Minimum quantity depends on the following factors: lead time quantity, safety stock. The maximum quantity refers to the maximum number of supplies that must be present in stock at any given time. It depends on amount of available storage space, whether suppliers are ready to store in their warehouse so that when demanded, supplies can be sent to the hotel. Supplies from main store are issued to the floor's pantries. In case there are no pantries on floors, the supplies are issued on daily basis. Par levels depends on usage rate and the occupancy level. Perpetual inventory system. It is a system where the approximate supply of the guest items are mentioned. This is a pattern of physical inventory which is done by the hotel staff members of the equipments. Housekeeping desk, housekeeping department control and equipment control sheet. Establishing inventory levels for guest supplies. One par of guest supplies is equal to the number of guest supplies needed to outfit all guest rooms once. This depends on the occupancy levels and usage rate. Guest supplies par stock for 1 month. Potential usage per occupied room multiplied by forecasted number of occupied rooms is equal to par stock required. Calculation of minimum and maximum quantities of soap determines how many bars of soap are present in a purchase unit or standard package. Calculate the number of bars of soap used in a day during hotel's peak season. Calculate the number of days taken taken for one purchase unit or case of finish. Weekly store list. This contains the guest uh, guest desires, pens, laundry bags, etc., which are consumed, required, and received. Guest supplies per floors are items such as pens, shower caps, soap buds, soaps, and others. Linen discard record. This is the list of discarded linens which of a hotel. Thank you.